Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on CivitAI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in civitai.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official CivitAI website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right section instead of your account. You can click on the sign in button and proceed with your email address or your other social media links to log in. And once you have logged in, you will end up within this homepage. Now, if you wish to change your password for your CivitAI account, go ahead and click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Settings. Now, from the account settings, you can scroll down and look for various settings, but you will not find an option to change your password. This is because there is no password for the CivitAI website. When you log into your account, you will simply need to use a login link that is sent to your email address. So this means if you wish to change your password for CivitAI, you will need to change the password for your email address or the login social media page link instead. And there you have it. That is all you need to know about changing your password on CivitAI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.